Well, did you see the baby doll dress video? Listen, I was in a really big hurry because my life is chaos. So I was trying to get that done as fast as possible because the days that I can actually film something are very separated. I don't really get a whole big chance to do any of that. So there's always people in my house. So people that live in my house are in my house. Here we are again, doing it again. Baby doll dress, take 2. The dress didn't fit me properly. It was too long. You could really just, I don't even know how to, I feel like the back was too big. Anyway, I took the whole thing apart. It is now in pieces in my basement on my sewing table, and that's a whole thing. I'm gonna make the back shorter. I took the sleeves off completely because you can't do this or this. So, it was a disaster. I should have made a mock-up. I didn't. And that was my choice. And I'm living with that. So this dress is really pink. Pink is not my color. I'm really a green kind of a person. Green is my color. I unpicked the skirt from the entire bodice. I'm going to change the gather of the skirt because it was fine, but I think I'm gonna try a little bit more of like a box pleat and see if that's cuter, and maybe not, depending on how fast I feel like flying through this project. Okay, so something else that I'm really excited about. I've been thinking about accessorizing this dress or adding a pattern to it or something. I did some sample paint. Let me go grab it. I'm gonna go grab it. 1 second. Be right back. Anywho, hi. Hello. I'm back. Okay. So, I have this book. It is titled, The Golden Hands Complete Book of Embroidery from 1973, something, I don't know. Anyway, I sold this for my mom when I moved out of my house, my parents' house, which was 2003, 2004. I bought this house in 2005, and I moved into my apartment in 2004. Yeah, 2004. I stole a lot of books from my mom, actually. I wanted to start my journey out of my house into my new house with a lot of books. This is all irrelevant. Welcome to this book. It has all these, this is gonna be hard to do. See, this is where I fail at camera stuff. Okay, lots of different little crazy things with little designs to help you transfer. There's a whole lot of information about smocking in here. And I am not a big fan of smocking, but it's really popular right now. I don't know why I went so high-pitched just there, but I did. Anyway, I want to show you this one. This was my original inspiration for this pattern. I really think it's super cute. It's embroidered on with yarn. The yarn is, come on, bop, bop, bop. Where's the information? What the crap? Okay, needles. Yarn descriptions. Okay, so this book gives you a photo of every yarn they use. And this one is crewel yarn. What is crewel yarn? This one. Anyway, it was a lot of work. Nothing. So they give you like a sewing pattern, which I'm obviously not going to use, but they give you an idea on how to lay it out, and this is perfect for tracing. So what I did was I traced that, and then there's another like matching one that goes with it, which is this. Anyway, I don't know if you saw that. because look at this. It's this cutest little purse. Oh my gosh. Kind of want to make that, but anyway. I used the sleeves because I only had a little bit of scrap fabric. So I was testing out my paints that I had just to kind of see how it would work. And then I tested out a bunch of fabric markers versus acrylic paints versus Sharpies. The Sharpie gives a clearer line. The acrylic looks bad, but it's because I didn't add anything to thin it out. The fabric markers that I bought, unfortunately, the day I went, all they had was neon, and guys, it is neon. Ignore the green. I like green, so I was wanting to play with the green. I don't really think the green and the pink look good together in this particular instance because it's just so severe, but it's better than the fluorescent orange color and the pink color too. So I won't be using any of that. I do have this really pretty orange velvet ribbon, which I love, but I think I'm just gonna keep it simple and understated and just, add a little orange ribbon. And then I thought, oh, I didn't bring my other thing upstairs. Okay, be right back. Okay, it's me again. Ooh, coffee. The sky is blue right now, you guys. Just, wow. Here in St. Louis, I looked it up one time. In St. Louis, we get 1/3 of the year is total cloud cover. So that's bullshit. My coffee is slightly cold and I'm angry, but it's fine. We're moving past that. My snack while I was crocheting, I have Premier cotton in like a hot pink color. I started making this rectangle because I was thinking this would be cute. Like that underneath, and then maybe some straps up or something. I thought that crochet would be really kind of perfect for this because there was a lot of crochet in the 60s and 70s, and I just felt like it was perfect for all of that. But so that's something I'm working on. I will complete this, and if I end up not liking it for myself, I'll probably put it in my Etsy store. So we'll see. I've got the skirt here all ungathered. I left the hem and everything the same. I'm not going to change any of that. I just want to change the top of it. Where I'm at in my process of deconstruction is I have left, so this is the back seam. This is still connected in this one long seam all the way around. I have unpicked the shoulder seam. So where the shoulder sits, and then I have pulled out that amount of stitching. This is the back of the piece. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to shorten this on like a diagonal because I'm gonna put it on and measure it, and then it's gonna end up being on a diagonal, but it's gonna be hard to do because of this center back seam. Alternatively, I could probably just re-sew this from the seam that I originally sewed and sew it smaller so that it pulls down. Those are my two options. I can't adjust the front at all. The front it fits my chest perfectly, and I don't want to change any of that. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's do it together. And so then once I fix that, all I have to do is just pleat up the skirt, sew the zipper back on, and it's ready to go. No, it's not. That's a lie because I took my sleeves out because I used my sleeves as my sample fabrics, and I don't want this. Alternatively, if I did want to put sleeves back in, I do have that third extra panel in this, which if you watched my other video, you would know. Anyway, I made an extra panel because I had to cut the skirt out kind of weird. But I do have enough fabric in here to make sleeves and just remove that panel, but I don't want to. because I want the skirt to be poofy. 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 That's that. Let's do this. I guess I should change my top, but that would mean I'd have to change my whole outfit. This was not well thought out. I'm gonna change, bring my sewing machine upstairs, and get some pins. There's a squirrel in my yard, just like a peanut hanging out of his mouth. He's just walking around with it. Look at my peanut. Did you see it? Anyway. Do you guys have kids? My lamp, mysteriously, is broken. Nobody did it. Children. I'm back. Wow. I've changed. I'm now wearing a pantsuit romper thing. You ever have the days where you just really don't want to wear pants or shorts or anything at all? That's where I'm at today. I have a little mirror set up on my couch here. It's totally safe. I know what I'm doing. The back of this fits me perfectly, but it's just the shoulders that when the dress is zipped shut, there's like all this extra. Now that I'm seeing this, I'm thinking, I think it is the back. I think the back is too big by a lot. This is one of those situations where having a person would be real handy, but I don't know anybody. I don't know people. Maybe my back is shaped weird. I think all I need is a dart. Is there a dart in the pattern? Oh my god. If there's a dart in the pattern. Okay, this is the pattern I use, this Butterick 5181 from I don't know when. It is all ripped to hell now. That was me. I'm just as angry as you are. I don't think I've ever ripped a pattern page that far down. There's no gather, there's no dart, but I totally screwed up. This is where I should have paid more attention. Can you see this? There's an ease right here. And I totally missed that. And that's why it doesn't fit. Alternatively, and probably what I'm going to do, because putting a dart in here is probably fine, but it's gonna be like, placing it is gonna be frustrating for me because this is already kind of shaped. So what I'm gonna do, that's me making an excuse by the way. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this down and make it a little bit diagonal. And then probably that'll be enough, or like all I need to do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just sew that really fast, and then hopefully that's it. And then I can pop the skirt back in quickly, and maybe I'll be done. I don't know, we'll see. The next thing I need to do is figure out what I'm gonna do for sleeves. I think what I might have to do is just very slowly fold these in on themselves and hand stitch it together to make a flat seam, which is fine. I can do that. I'm gonna work on making the pleats right now. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the mock-up zipper! One day I'll actually remember to buy the zipper when I go to the store. Anyway, let's pop this puppy in. The bodice sits a little bit higher. I do have on a giant bra right now, so I probably would not wear this bra with this, just because it is so enormous. The back fits better than it did, but it doesn't look great because I did rush through this and I knew better that I shouldn't have, but I'm gonna show you the back and judge away. See if I care. You know. I think I know why it's doing this. I think I caught the lining. I'm gonna go fix this. Hold on. Oh. I think it's maybe better. It's much better. I'm an idiot. Not an idiot. I just, made silly mistakes. So anyway, wow. Now all I have left to do is fix the shoulders. I need to hem those in and then pull the lining. I think I seriously prefer the pleats over the gather. I think this makes much more sense. It's a lot cuter, and I might actually wear this now. I like the sleeves are gone. I really, really appreciate that. I think it'd be really cute with a shirt underneath of it, but just have to pull this in, stitch around on the inside here, and then I'm done. So I guess to make any final statements about this dress, it is now kind of something I think I would actually wear. With the sleeves before, I didn't feel comfortable enough to wear it because I couldn't move around. The back is much better, a lot better. And I think it's cute. I just have a red belt and some red shoes on right now. Anyway, I love this dress. It's really cute. It's pink. I'm saying a lot. I'm trying not to say pink. I'm gonna try not to say The pockets are pretty well useless. It's cute, it's fun. It cost me a handful of dollars to make, and I do like it this way without the sleeves. That is all. Have a great rest of your day, and if you liked this, like and subscribe, I guess. Help me out. You know what I mean? With my likes and my subscribes. And I'm hoping that one day I'll care more about like the reveal videos and stuff, because that's where I'm at. I don't know enough about filming and stuff. Goodbye. Happy almost spring. We have a month. 1 month.